Hello everyone, my name is Kanika. I'm here with my team members Amit and Sahil to discuss about local network attacks. Before starting, I would like to state that this video is beneficial for new system administrators and network security professionals who just started their career. It would also be of great interest to those individuals who want to ensure their network security is intact from various attacks. Now let's discuss SMB protocol exploitation. But before that, we will see what is SMB. SMB is Server Message Block, an application layer protocol used for sharing files, printers, and serial ports. SMB allows a lot of computer to read and write files to a remote host over a local area network, that is LAN. Using SMB protocol, the application can access files and other resources at remote server. Let's go into SMB protocol functionality. SMB uses window platform servers and workstations. Also, SMB provides validation into process communication and access mechanism to provide validation to the communication. Now coming to the structure of attack. Here, firstly we see the victim request to get connected to the PIN server. This message goes to the network. Then the DNS responds stating it doesn't knows the IP for the same. Post which victim broadcasts message to the network and the attacker who had been waiting for this moment will respond to this, after which victim will send its credentials, thereby getting compromised, as we can see in point number 5. To perform the attack, the basic requirements are: firstly, we require an attacker machine, that is Kali Linux. Secondly, we require a victim machine, that is Windows 7. And also for this attack, we require a responder software which we can download easily from Git. We need to make sure that in our case, we are using the virtual machines, but in real time it will work similar to this scenario. Further, the actual working of the attack would be taken by Amit.
Hi everyone. Hi everyone. My name is Amit. Here I am going to demonstrate SMB attack. So we need at least two machines for that. So you can see over here, I have one machine, the Kali, which is acting as the attacker machine, and I have another machine, this Windows 7 machine, which will act as a victim machine. So first of all, we have to confirm these both machines are on the same network, because it's a local attack. So we have to check that attack with the IP. Over here the machine is on this network 192.168.56.106. Let us check the network of our Kali machine. You can see over here it is on 101. So both the machines are on the same network. So let's start our attack. As Kanika already describe us this process. In process 1, victim machine sends the first message connect to the print server. Even though this print server is not existed, since this message goes to the network and DNS request to that network, I don't have that one. So the victim then broadcasts this message to the network. Then attacker will respond this and victim will send the credentials. So let's see how this gonna happen. So in the prerequisites we already mentioned we need a responder software for that one to capture that traffic. So responder is over here. So now we're gonna start this responder with this command. We have to enter into responder folder Then this is the command to start responder. So let's start this. Oh, we are running with this interface is running on ETH1. So we have to change this. See over here, this software is now on listening for the events. So now we have to generate some of the events through our victim machine. So our victim machine is now trying to generate traffic. So using run, we are going to search print server. Even though this print server is not existed in the network, still it will search for print server. So once we enter this print server command, ultimately the response of that one is into the events. See, there are some activities going on into this. There is some client username is shared, password is shared with the hash. Over you can see over here, print server request for print server. Then they are sharing the passwords in the hash function. So we got the password, we got this one as per the figure. Over here attacker got the credential from the victim. So now we have to decrypt that hash function. So let's see how we're gonna do this. We have to stop this tool. See, we stop this tool. So let us check what's in this directory. In this directory there is a folder with the name of logs. So we have to enter into this folder, logs folder. Over here you can see there is a file with the name of smb ntlm and this. So in this file, actually whatever this information, this hash is stored into this file. So we have to decrypt this hash function. So there are so many tools to decrypt that hash function, but in our attacker machine we are going to use a tool named as John the Ripper. That John the Ripper is inbuilt tool into Kali. So we are using that one for cracking the password of our user. We just type the command John and then name of that file. So we over here from here we are going to see like what's the username of this PC, that is Amit. So you can also check like from this is the response, like nobody is going to get that name server. So Amit is the username who is requesting for the print server. So but we don't know the password of this one. So through this tool, let's see what's the password of this user. It will take some time. As in this John the Ripper, and there is a word list with the name of some of the existing passwords. So this tool is checking one by one. So it will take some time to decrypt that one. If that password match with the existing list of the passwords, then it shows you on the screen what is the password. So here you can see over here we got the password. The username is Amit and the password is hack me. That's the password of that system. So let us check the password of that system. Like if that user is supposed to this user is in log off stage. So let's check the password. What we got, that is hack me. See, we are able to log in into that system. So we attacked on the SMB port of that system and we got the password using this responder tool, and then we decrypt the password using John the Ripper tool. So now the preventive measures gonna be discussed by Sahil. Sahil will discuss all the preventive measures, how we gonna prevent this attack locally in our system. Over to you, Sahil.
Amit and hello everyone. So I'm going to discuss three settings that can be used to prevent this type of attack. And basically these settings are used to disable NetBIOS name service. So for the first one, open control panel, then go to network and internet, click on view network status and tasks, then go to change adapter settings, click on Wi-Fi or LAN, then open the properties, then search for Internet Protocol version 4, go to advanced, select Wins, that's the Windows Internet name scheme, then choose disable NetBIOS over TCP/IP, and then click OK. And for the second setting, search for gpedit.nsc, open, then navigate to computer configuration, then to administrative templates, then network, then click on DNS client, double click on the turn off multicast name resolution, and then here select enabled, apply and OK. So this same setting can be changed by editing the registry, like it's mentioned over here. And these two settings are used to disable NetBIOS name service on a single machine. And for machines that are used in an office, those are attached to domain through Active Directory network. We need to change different type of setting, but it can't be demonstrated on my machine, but we have an example for that. And to disable NetBIOS names service across a domain with DHCP client, then go to DHCP snap-in, then scope options for the network you are changing. Right click and configure options. Select advanced tab and change vendor class to Microsoft Windows 2000 option. In the available option frame, select and check the box 001 Microsoft Disable NetBIOS option, and in the data entry frame change the data entry to 0 into 2 and then click OK. And here we have a screenshot of the settings. And so these were the three settings that were required to change, and thank you for watching the video.